All right, today's little project, I have the door opener closer here, and it's ripped apart this the wood frame, and then we're also gonna replace the doggy door flap. We're gonna put the door closer thing. What is the door closer thing called? It's called a door closer. All right, I'll be using this multi-tool. It's Flex. Pops right up. This is a piece I cut out. The bottom part is the actual width. This is the actual height. There it is. Now, how did I do? That's flush, and the sides are flush. In truth, did I cut it perfect? Oh yes, I did a wonderful job. Okay, that's solid. Alright, so I made a rookie there. I installed this. Which works quite nicely. Yes. Door closes perfectly.